Welcome back, children. This class we are going to discuss about the new chapter 2, globes and maps in the computer. First step, we will see how should we open this software. Application, education, marble. Children, when you open this software, we will get a globe like this. You can scroll like this. Okay, using the mouse, we can scroll the globe. Using the mouse, adjust the globe to view the Asian mainland on the monitor. We should take the Asia part here. Then only we can able to view the India. We are in India, no? So that's why we should open this India part. So what should I do? Globe and scroll this one. Okay. Now we can able to see the different cities in India. We know this is the India map. So scroll, just move the mouse, means scroll the mouse. Now you can able to see the different state. Again scroll it, we can able to see the different cities. Now I am going to find a city in Marble software. For that, see children, this is the software window. In the left side we are having map view. At the top we are having search box. In the search box, just click here. Your mouse pointer is waiting here to type the city name. Here I am going to type Thiruvananthapuram. THIRU. If you type like that, automatically we get the Thiruvananthapuram. Just select the option and press enter key. Children, when you typed enter key from the search box, automatically we can able to see Thiruvananthapuram here, this pointed view. When you scroll it, see at the point you can able to see the Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, yeah, okay. Suppose I am going to find another city, Cochin. Okay, so just to see, click here. See here, this is the Cochin. This part we can able to see any noted point. See here, I am going to select Cochin, COCHIN, isn't it? Okay, press enter. See children, here we got the city Cochin. Now we will see how to create and save map. Children, this is the globe, isn't it? Now I am going to change the view. How should we change the view? See children, in the left side we are having map view. Okay, in this, when you move the mouse pointer near that, this rounded figure, we can able to understand this is the globe view. Here one grid like that, no? So next to that, one arrow mark is there. Click on this arrow mark, we can see different views. Now select flat view. Okay, now if we select the flat view, we can able to see a map. Okay, so from here you can scroll it. Okay, now I got India map fully. This is the flat view. So how should we save this file? Click on file menu, export map. Okay, normally when you save your file, we should click on file, save as and all, no? But here we are having export option. So click on file menu, export map. Okay, now I am going to save the file in desktop. So select desktop folder. Okay, type the file name, map. Okay, there I am typing the file name as map. Click on save button. Understood? This is the way to save your file.